Hey, wanderers! Welcome back to Bucket List, where we take you on virtual adventures you'll never forget. Today, we're diving into the heart of Morocco, Marrakech, a city where every street smells like a spice explosion and every bite tells a story. Imagine this: you're weaving through a chaotic market, the air thick with cinnamon and saffron, vendors shouting, and food sizzling right in front of you. Hungry yet? In this virtual food tour, we're tasting the soul of Marrakech without leaving your couch. So grab a snack, hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and let's dig in. Marrakech isn't just a city, it's a sensory overload. Nestled at the edge of the Atlas Mountains, this place has been a crossroads for traders, nomads, and dreamers for centuries. And what did they bring? Flavors. Think slow-cooked stews, honey-drenched pastries, and teas so strong they'll wake you up from a coma. The food here is a mashup of Berber roots, Arab influences, and a dash of French flair, bold, colorful, and unforgettable. Our tour starts in the beating heart of it all, Jemaa el-Fnaa, the famous square that turns into a food lover's paradise every night. Ready to taste it? Now, let's hustle over to Jemaa el-Fnaa after dark. The square's alive snake charmers on one side, musicians on the other, and right in the middle, food stalls that'll make your stomach growl. First, we've got brochettes, juicy skewers of spiced meat grilled over open flames. You smell the char before you see it. Lamb, beef, or chicken, dusted with paprika and cumin, served with a fiery harissa dip. Next, mizamen, these flaky, golden pancakes stuffed with onions or honey. One bite, and it's crispy, chewy heaven. Oh, and don't sleep on the snail soup. Yep, snails. It's a peppery broth that locals swear by. Would you try it? Let me know. No food tours complete without dessert, right? In Marrakech, sweets are next level. Meet chibakia, these flower-shaped pastries are fried, soaked in honey, and sprinkled with sesame seeds. Crunchy, sticky, and so addictive you'll wish this video came with samples. Then there's Kab el Ghazal, almond-filled crescents that taste like a hug from a Moroccan grandma. Pair it with mint tea, poured high from a silver pot to get that frothy top. It's sweet, it's refreshing, and it's basically Morocco in a glass. I'm sipping it virtually, wish you could too. That's it for our virtual food tour of Marrakech, wanderers. If this made you hungry for more adventures, smash that like button, it helps us keep exploring. New to Bucket List? Subscribe now so you don't miss our next stop. Spoiler alert, it's a wild one. Share this with a friend who'd love to taste the world with us, and I'll see you in the next video. Where should we go next? You decide, comment below. Until then, keep dreaming big and traveling far, even if it's just from your screen. Bye for now.